So we have the arteries, which carry the blood from the heart to the tissues, the capillaries, which is high surface area to volume, handles the chemical transfer to the tissues, and the veins that bring the blood back to the heart from the tissues. We have the placenta, which is going to carry the oxygenated blood to the mother via the umbilical vein.
You can kind of see our umbilical vein. You can see it right here, and then you can see it go through up here and going up to the heart.
It should still be going, I think.
Okay.
Oh, yep.
Okay. Yeah, here's the umbilical vein.
Awesome.
It connects to the posterior vena cava, which I have the heart out, so it's like can kind of try to see where it connects, like right here.
Because we avoided cutting that area, but most of the time we just cut through all of those.
Oh my god, it's hard to like see where it connects. But it connects like right there.
This big white thing is, I'm assuming.
The ductus venosus is that shunt that connects the umbilical vein to that posterior vena cava, which we showed there, that very long
So I think this white thing
vein.
is the dorsal aorta, and then the blue thing would probably be.
And that all goes to the right atrium, which is the one that receives that oxygenated blood from the ductus, which also has the tricuspid valve between the right right atrium and the right ventricle.
Through the ribs. So
Yeah, it's just like you can't see inside the heart, but
It occurs inside of the heart there.
yeah.
And the pulmonary artery is right here, the white thing, and it's right ventricle to lungs where it gets oxygen from the lungs, which is like right here. And then there's a pulmonary vein, which is also
It brings that oxygenated blood from the lungs back to the heart,
Yeah.
into the left atrium.
from placenta to placenta.
And you can kind of see, oh my god, what's it called? The aortic arch. Like you can see where it kind of got cut, but you can see like the different spots where it goes out into the rest of the body, like here, up here, and here. You can see like right here, here, and here where it connected to go like up there.
And after that oxygenated blood comes back from the lungs, from the left atrium to the left ventricle, it then exits the heart in the aorta, which splits and carries that oxygenated blood back to the rest of the body. And it contains the bicuspid or mitral valve between the left atrium and the left ventricle.
Where this thing is supposed to be, but we don't have it. Yeah. Oh, and then try following it.
And for number 2, the baby is born overall purplish because
There's a shunt.
there's a shunt that closes off, allowing the lungs to begin the pulmonary process to begin oxygenating the blood rather than the umbilical.
And the oxygenation of the blood is what turns it red. So the blue blood earlier is what turns the baby a little bit like purple in color when it's born, when that shunt gets shut, so that it can start oxygenating the blood.
Right on. Currently, we are cutting the heart in half to check out the ovale, which is a small hole that allows the blood to travel from the right atrium to the left atrium, bypassing some of those pulmonary structures that aren't being used in the fetal pig before birth. And that ovale hole should be located between the left atrium, or right atrium, and the left atrium.
Right, so these are your veins and
In the
then
heart.
these arteries, and like this is just like, so this would go into your arms right here. This is going up to your, it's going
Okay.
to connect.
The ovale would be around right here, and the main idea is it just connects the 2 atriums
And then
that you can kind of see like here, like the spaces.
Right, so.
And it would just like be a space that connected them to each other.
Right, ventricle.
And for number 4, the 3 different ways we can exemplify how the body attempts to maximize or minimize the energy expenditure as she just talked about, that four-minute valve, which allows you to not use the regular pulmonary system. There's also thermoregulation, which brings blood from other parts of the body's systems to the torso in cold environments. And then a third structure would be blood shifting from less important systems to other systems, such as like digestive during food consumption, or musculoskeletal systems during exercise, always to minimize the energy so that all the systems don't need to be working at full capacity.
Into the